Hey guys, Jason H Fan Chat here today with another ceiling fan destruction. I've already posted a video of this. I was chucking random shit into it. Here we have a litex schuster. There's been some change. Also, we bring it in here. Bring it on. We have some little customizations that you can barely see because of the light. But we have fuck you, and we have bitch on the other side. So I'm gonna make sure this thing has 0 blade pitch, so it's as fast as possible, considering these things are known to be slow. This fan, I got it from a friend at church, and this thing has just been an utter piece of shit. These things all are. I want to find me a nicer one though, so this one's getting destroyed. It is fully functional. I don't have any bulbs in it for the destruct, because all my good bulbs are being used in that hunter over there. But there's Ace, or what's your YouTube? Peter Griffin. Peter, what are you doing? 1999.
Yeah,
on YouTube. So. That's his YouTube. So, actually, he's commented on at least one of my videos. So, let me get the camera set up, and then we will start. All right. Like I said, we're starting off small, but we're going no mercy on this bitch. So, so basically, Ace, anything small, kind of like this, it's light and shit. Basically, I'm gonna take the first hit so I can show you. We're basically just gonna be doing that. We can move on to small fan motors. Hold up. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. Not only is the blade bent, it came unplugged. And I want to see his ass get smacked with it. There we go. Alright. Hold on, let me get up to speed. Alright. We're doing a YouTube video. We're gonna clean it up. Huh? Oh, what he said. Hold on. Okay, we are back. Crap, I just realized I have nowhere to plug this in, so. Oh wait, hey, so you want to go ahead and throw the next thing you can.
Oh. You said anything about throwing.
I knew that thing wasn't in there good. I have to pause the video and install it. Hold on. Well, now I'm gonna have to pause the video and reinstall it. We're having some technical difficulties. Okay, so apparently the video cut off, but it seems like to keep doing that, but I didn't have any notifications, did I? Alright, here's part 2. Since we broke one of the blades and this one's barely hanging on, it didn't hold the configuration. Oh, get to that place. Oh shit! Hit my fan. Oh, I get another hit. Hold on a minute. Actually, yeah, go ahead and take that blade off. That one. Ooh. Alright. Hold on. Wait, it'll run a little bit smoother. There we go. Hold on. Try and smack it with both blades. Wait. Why is it slowing down? The commentary came out. Oh my God! Stop it! Hold on. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Hold on. Look at here, you son of a bitch.
What happened to you with?
Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. Okay, now here's how you take down a hugger. Is take the burn, smack it one good last time with the worm. And then, hold on. Big axe, wide end of the big axe. And if all else fails, save it. All else fails. Well, it looks like all else is failing. Well, that's if all else fails. That's it.